let's talk about how you end your test. So once you have gone through all the questions, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. This is an overview of all of the questions in this section, and it tells you a bunch of information. If it has a check mark next to the number, that means that you have answered that question, and you're good to go. If it is blank, that means you did not answer it. And if you need to answer it, you can click on the number and it will take you back to whatever section you are in, and it will allow you to answer that question. Okay? If you hit review and end test, it will take you back to the overview screen. You can also see, give me 1 second, I want to flag one of these for you. You can also see the sections that you flagged. So I told you that the flagging tool is used if you want to make a note of a question to come back to review. So you'll be able to see these little blue flags. You can click on them and it will take you back to that question so that you can review it. There's also a little drop down up here that tells you the question number, and you'll be able to see all the questions in that section, and you will also be able to see the ones you flagged. They're highlighted with a little gray flag. Okay, so you can kind of jump around questions that way. And again, when you feel like you are finished, you're going to go to the review and end test button. Okay, make sure that they are all checked. Mine aren't because I didn't answer them all, but you want to make sure they are all checked. When they are all checked, you can hit the end test button. If you end the test and then realize, oh my gosh, I didn't answer one, that's it. You don't have an opportunity to go back. So you want to take a moment and just make sure that you've done everything you need to do. When you hit end of the test, it's going to have a big stop sign that says, are you sure that you're done? Make sure that you answer all the questions. You have an opportunity to go return to it and review, or you can submit your test. Okay, and then it tells you which one that you completed, and you're going to hit exit. At that point in time, during the actual PSSA, this is the time you're going to want to raise your hand. You're going to want to turn your ticket in. You're going to organize your materials, make sure your scrap paper, your formula sheet is all put together. You're going to return your pencils, your highlighters, etc. Okay? All right, that is the Math Online Tools.